Yeah, hello, welcome to NTC Television. Here I will explain how to publish your app easily in just few minutes on Play Store. Yeah, first of all, make sure you have console. To register a console is only $25, but to publish app is free. Yeah, it's easy. Just go to home and go to Playstore written create app. Then here you'll put app name. For instance, my app name is Hypercash Agencies, like this. This is my app name. And Google, according to Google policies, they say that you are not supposed to use capital letters in what? All capital letters. So if it's a brand name, no problem. But if it's not a brand name, it's better you use a small letter. So you can write Hypercash Agency. So this is my brand name, so I will leave it as it is. But if it could not be my brand name, I could put in small letters. Yeah, so to follow the policies, make sure you put small letters and you mix with capital letters. For instance, like this: Hypercash Agencies. Yeah, but if it's a brand name, for instance, it's NTC, it's brand, so I can put capital letter, but otherwise you put small letters like that. Then from there now, you'll come and select a language. I'm using English. You just tap here to select the language you want. Then after all, you go to place written app or game and you choose the place written app. Then from there, you scroll down and is app paid or free. Then I will tap it's a free app. And this you can change later if you want to app to pay you, or you want a paid app, you want your app to be paid so that user can use. So you can put you will update to be paid app. Then from there now I will put a tick in these check boxes and the first developer program policies and United States export laws. Then from there I will just tap the place written create app. Then from there my app has been created. Now I will go to customize this app so that it's gonna be published on Play Store. Yeah, it's easy. Just scroll down and go to scroll down until please the place written finish setting up your app. Finish setting up your app. Yeah, it's easy. Let us know about the content of your app. Now Google Play Store want to know the content of your app, what your app contains inside when user login or when user open your app. So you go to place written privacy, set privacy policy. I will tap, and here Google needs the URL of your privacy policy. So if you don't have a website of privacy policy, worry not, you can create a privacy policy. To get a link is very easy. You just go to Google and search privacy policy generator. Privacy policy generator. This privacy policy generator. You just tap like this, and then you find the one written Firebase. With Firebase, that's a very free app and very good app. I normally use it. So you just go to this https app privacy policy generator.firebase app.com. Then from there now I will tap app privacy policy. Then I will scroll down and I will tap start. Then I will put my app name as written. You can just come and copy app name, but you can just, if you remember your app name, is easy. You just write as it was shown there. It's Hypercash Agencies, like this. It's Hypercash Agencies. Then email address. I put my email address. It's Vicious Queenie. Vicious Queenie. Yeah, at gmail.com. Yeah, I've already put my email. Effective date, let this my privacy policy start from this effective date. Then personally identifiable age, okay, personal identifiable information, no need of this information. No need of this information. You just keep and go scroll down to press written next. You tap like this, then select the app. Remember, you say that the app is free, so if it's a commercial app, you tap the commercial, you select commercial here. If it's free app, you tap here free. Open source, freemium, ad supported, you just like. Then from there now I will tap next. Then is it for Android or iOS, iOS, Android, iOS, Android, iOS, iOS? So it's just a matter of your app. For me it's for Android devices, so I will select Android, then I will tap next. Then from there they will tell me developer name. Now developer name is the name of your developer account. So to my side, developer name is Nice Technology. So you'll put here the developer name here. To mine is Nice Technologies. So make sure you write well as shown on your console. So it's Nice Technologies. Then I will tap next. Then I've just for Google Play services. Then I tap next. Then I tap here down to place written privacy policy. I will tap and automatically the privacy policy has been generated. So this is my privacy policy. So from there now I will copy this privacy policy. This privacy policy applies to the Hypercache Agencies app. Okay, now I will copy from here, from the top. I will scroll down until here. Avoid copy. This private page was generated by a privacy policy generator. Avoid that. Just and plus written contact us. Then I will tap control copy to copy the text. Okay, then after all I need a link to upload my privacy policy, so I will just tap here again. I will just if I have a host, I can go and host this as a HTML document, but sometimes I can use what we call okay, I can use what we call Google Drive. I will go to Google Drive here, then Google Drive I will tap. It's Google Drive. Okay, it's loading. Then the Google Drive will open, and here I will go to host this document. Then I will go to place written. Okay, I will go to place written new upload. Then is file upload. No, is Google document. Just like a document, so I can upload as a document. Let me see other option. Google Drawing, Google Sites. No, I will just go and Google Documents. Then it will open as a Google document. So I will just come here and I will tap Ctrl V to paste my document. So it's like this. Then remember to change here. It's untitled document. I will change and write privacy policy like that. I will edit here. Then after all, I've just finished. So I will tap here share here. I will tap share. Then I will change the setting. Is tell me that only people with access can open this link. Only people with access. So I will just tap here and I change to anyone with a link can access. Now it's updating the setting. Then from there I will copy link. So anyone with this link will open and view my privacy policy. So Google will just visit this link and will be able to see the privacy policy of your app. So I will just let me see if it's really showing. So have you seen, after copying this, anyone with the link can open. So I will just go to my app and privacy policy. I will press Ctrl V to paste my link there. Okay, then from there I will tap save. Now I've already uploaded my privacy policy link. Then from there I will go back to my dashboard. I'll go to finish setting. I will go to app access. Now here, if your app doesn't need any details or credentials, someone to log in or user to log in, you can just tap the place written or functionality in my app is available without any access restriction. For instance, if you have a blog which doesn't require users to log in or to register, you can say that your app doesn't need credentials or doesn't have any access restrictions. But in case you have you have put some access restrictions, such as login credentials, so that user can log in, so you're supposed to provide so that when Google review your app will be able to log in. I think you have get me here. Now I will go to the place that all some functionality in my app is restricted, so it's restricted to my side. Then I will go to add instructions. So what is there? So in my app there is account sign in button. Account sign in is like this. Account sign in is in capital letter. Account sign in. So it means when someone is signing or in my account will use this credentials, then I will use the credentials. I will write here Silian password. You will just put your password there at the top. Okay, I'll just put my password. Yes, then from there now I will go to information provide. Okay, I will just tap here. I will just copy this message, this one I will copy, and I provide that the credentials I provide. This is instruction how to access user accounts. To access users accounts. Yeah, then these are instructions on how to work. Then from there is no any other required access, access restriction. So from there Google will log in. It's like that. So if there are others, so you just add here, but if there isn't, you just tap that there isn't. Then from there you tap add. Then okay, I say that user how to access user will sign in user will sign in it's like this. Will sign in using the provided credentials. I just instruct Google Play support team. So I will use the provided credentials. So I will just tap like this. Then I will just tap the word add. Then my instruction have been added. Then I will tap save. Already saved. So I will go to another part. Scroll down to place written ads. Then remember the third ads that no, my app doesn't contain ads. Then save. Then let me go to another place. I will just tap again dashboard. Then I'll scroll down to content rating. Then I will start questionnaire. Then I will tap email address. I will put my email address. It's vicious queenie@gmail.com. Okay, and then from there I will tap is category is all other app. But if it's a game app, So you just tap again, then I'll tap next. Then downloaded. Does app contain any rating, violence, sex? No, it doesn't contain. Then does the app native allow users to interact and send content with other users through voice communication? No, to my side it's not doing so. Then also asking, does the app promote initial download but can be accessed from the app? Example, this type of content moves Apple, Amazon shopping app, songs, file, news, articles, news. Does app feature or promote content that isn't part of the initial app download? I will put no. Then promote or sell H, no. Here, no, no. Is the app a web browser or search engine? So if it's a web view app, you will put yes. But if it's not a web view app, for instance, blog, you have created a blog app, so it says that your app is web browser or search engine, so that they can inspect as a search engine, not as an app. I mean the app as itself. So they will just review as a web browser. Then is the app primary a news or educational product? No, it's not doing so. Then I'll tap save. Then next. Okay. Then from there I will scroll down. Then I'll tap save. Okay. Then I will go to the dashboard. I'll move to another part of target audience. Now here make sure you put 18 and over because it's not appeal to children. So I'll put no, it doesn't appeal to children. Then I'll put next. Then I will tap save. Okay, then okay, I've done. So I will go to dashboard again. I will go to news app. So is your app a news app? No, it's not a news app. So I will save. Then I will go to dashboard again to another part about data safety. So it's better you have a VCF, but if you have time you can answer all the questions that will be asked here, all this question, and explain well, because without this Google won't publish your app. So it's better you get a VCF file, but if you don't have, to my side I will provide for you VCF file for free. So you know, we are together. Just subscribe channel so that you can learn more and get more added advantage when using this channel learning. Okay, then I will just tap the Playstore, then import from CVS. I mean, it's better you have this VCF. I mean CSV, so it's very important. Then I will go to upload. Then I will go to my file is data safety. This is a VCF file, or you can say it's a CSV file. Then after all, this file just contained all answers that I was supposed to answer one by one, but this file have just contained all the answers I was supposed. Then I'll tap import. Then I will import all the important answer which I was supposed to answer. Then from there I'll tap next. Next again. Then save, because it has already answered all the questions. See, all the questions have been answered. So it's better you have this VCF file. And like that, then I will tap dashboard. Then I will scroll down. Is this a government app? No, this is not a government app. So be careful, don't put government app, because you're supposed to provide a proof that it's government app. Okay, another thing is financial feature. No, my app doesn't contain financial feature. So I scroll down, my app doesn't provide any financial feature. Then I'll tap next. Then I'll tap save. Okay, then I'll go to dashboard again. Then I scroll. Okay, about health. Is your app having any health information? Okay, my app doesn't have any health feature. So if it has health feature, then you fill the above. If it's medical, it's clinical, decision support, and so on. So I will save. Then I will go to dashboard again. Then I scroll down, select an app category and provide content details. So from there I'll just go to Playstore and edit. Then it's an app. I select a category. It's a business app, so I save. So if it's a finance app, you tap, you just explain the app you are creating. Just choose, choosing the category of the app you are creating. Now you come to tags. I will just choose the tags of my app so that it will appear in those tags. If it is arts and designing, it's business tools, but my side I want to appear in business, as in business apps. Then I will apply for it. Then I will scroll down and store listing contact details. These are details which are found on Play Store. I think you have reached Play Store and scroll down in app support. You will see this email address, phone number, this website in web or app support. So I will just tap edit, and I will also just put email address as required. So my email address is vicious.queenie @gmail.com. Then from there gmail.com. Then from there I can add a phone number if you want. Also you can add a website so that someone when visit our website can know more about your app. So to my side I will just put email address and I will tap save. Okay, it's done. Then if you want your app to be advertised outside Google Play, here on Google Chrome, on Google Opera and other browsers. So if you want your app to be advertised in outside the Google Play Store also, so you can leave this at this tick by which is inputted there by default. So if you want to change or to put a tick, if you don't want it to be outside the Play Store, or should not be seen on Google or any other browser, so you will just remove this tick. So make sure if you want to advertise outside the Play Store also, I have my app on Play Store but also on Google should be there, so I will just put this tick. Then from there, now I've finished all things, so I will just go to dashboard. Then I scroll down to set up your store listing, and this part is very important part, because this part we guarantee how your app will be seen by users, and also it may lead to app ban. If your details provided here are not appropriate or are not resemble with your app contents or the content within your app, automatically your app will be suspended or deleted or removed by Google, and sometimes you get account termination. So make sure you write good description about your app. Make sure you know well your app, and you can analyze your app, and you can just write different description, just short description and full description. So let's see. So a short description of app, user expand to view full description, but see app, they say okay, check the metadata policy, and metadata policy should know. There are a lot of metadata policy, so while providing these things you should know metadata policy. I will scroll down and I start to fill short description of hypercash agencies. Okay, I can say welcome okay, I can say just earn income from okay, earn income, I will just say, and make sure also spellings are correct, earn income from home with hypercash agencies. Then get started. It's get started. Then okay, earn income from home, from comfort of your home, from comfort of your home, from comfort of your home with high comfort of your home with hypercache. Get started. Then here full description. Now full description, I'll go to analyze my app so that Google can review well, because here this app description will make user understand your app well. So before user download the app, first of all we'll just read the description. So don't do any deception here. I mean deceiving. Don't deceive, because Google, when they inspect your app and find that's different from the full description, they will also remove your app. So be very careful here. So full description, you can just say with this app named hypercache agencies, user will be able to access their accounts using sign in button at the top of the app. I'm just explaining how with this app user will be able to access the accounts user top of the app after account creation. After account creation in create account, it was by using account sign in button at the top of the app after account creation in create account button. Okay, let me put this so that Google they can understand well. Using account sign in, we also, this was account sign in button. Then from there I'll just put here user will be redirected to the sign in page, and after providing the right login credentials will be credentials will be redirected, credentials will be able to access dashboard, will be able to reach dashboard. I continue explaining to Google how my app works. This full description. Then after reaching the dashboard, after reaching the dashboard, user will navigate up using navigation bar at the top left corner of the dashboard. While using Hypercache agencies app, user will be able to earn income by performing simple tasks such as watching TikTok videos, YouTube videos, also Instagram, videos, and Facebook videos. Also, not only that, furthermore, user will earn by click spin also by practicing referrals. Get started today. Okay, then I've finished. Okay, then I will go to app icon. Now make sure I provide the app icon and make sure it's almost 512 pixel, 512 pixel. So I will go to size generator, or size, or yeah, like that. So there are a lot of size generator. You can just generate the size of app you want. Image size generator, image size reducer. Also, you can just select this reduce images. I will select the first website. Also, there are other websites which are good, so you just choose the website which is simple for you, which you'll be able to edit the size of your logo. So if you have a logo, make sure it's reach the requirements of Google. That's supposed to be 512 pixel both sides. So this website is loading. I think it's under maintenance, so I will just tap another website. There are a lot of websites, so I will just image size reducer. I will just tap and I will select other image size reducer. So I will tap even this resize pixel, then I will tap upload, then I go to hypercache. I select my logo, select this, then I will go to place written the size, then I will remove the tick in box written fixed aspect ratio, then I'll put 512, and here I will put 512. Then from there I will tap resize, then I'll go to download. So I go to place written download image. So I've already downloaded my image, so I will just go to main store listing and I'll go to app icon. So this one, the first one here, then I open, then it will load like this. Then I've already listed the requirements of icon, so you scroll down to feature graphic. You can use the same app icon as a feature graphic also, but also you can also change. But to my size feature graphic, I want to put the same, but remember the sizes are different. So I will just go here and I'll tap continue editing so that I can edit. Here the requirements is 1024, while here is 500 pixel. Then I will size again this image. This will become my feature graphic. So I will download it, download image. Then I will go to main listing, then I will tap upload, then this one I will upload also. Okay, remember also there is metadata policy. This metadata policy in hypercache in Playstore also say that app icon should not having different items. For instance, this is my app, is simple logo. This is icon of my app. You can find someone icon is like this, and here there is notification, so that the app is notification, or it's written new, or offer, or any sensitive word is not allowed on this logo. Otherwise, you are going to break the policy of metadata. So try your level best to meet these requirements. So you can pass through metadata policy to learn more, or you can find someone have put sensitive information, maybe putting offer, like offer, free, what those things are not allowed on the icon. Again, I will go to put phone screenshot. So phone screenshot, take phone screenshot. So make sure you have get the phone screenshot while you are downloading, while you are testing your app. You have some screenshots of the content of your app. So I will just go to my phone screenshot, the screenshot I've made using my phone. So I will find my phone. This is my phone. Then okay, I will go to this, then I use snap mode, this one. So scroll down, the first one, so it's up. This one I will open, at least should be at least two, then upload again. Then it shows share, then I go to where I've put my, that these are things which are within my app. Then I will put this one. You can put at least 8, I mean at least 2 and not more than 8. Then let me put the last one. Yeah, then from there now I'll finish uploading, then I'll tap save. Yeah, then I will go to dashboard. Yeah, now see here I'm about to finish. Then I will go to select countries and legend, cross testing, because nowadays you're supposed to pass through cross testing before production. So I'll go to select countries and legend. Then I will scroll down and tap the place written add countries. Then I will tap here to select all countries. Then I save. Then I've done. So I go to place written create new release and make sure it's in cross testing. Create new release. Then I will scroll down to tap choose sign key and use Google generated key. Choose sign key, then use Google generated key. Then I tap upload and I go to upload my AAB file of hypercache agencies. So I'll open. Then release name, because the first app, the first can say it's the first version, I just read initial release. Then what's here, release notes. Okay, you can see get started, get started with hypercache agencies, yeah, already app bundle uploaded. So one app bundle, get started with hypercache agency, install now. Okay, so if it's, you have just have a new update, you have updated, you just say what's new there, what's new that app, what's new. So it's very important to write what's new. But because of my first release, I just said get started with the hypercache agency, install now. Then I will tap next. There is one warning. Okay, because this release will not be available for any user because you haven't specified any tester for it test. Okay, now my file will consist 2.2 MB. So scroll down and tap save. Go to overview. Next, go to publishing overview. Okay, they said one issue found. What the issue? I think we haven't declared advertising ID. Okay, let's go to that issue. Okay, say we found an issue, common issue that preventing you app from send for review. You must address these issues before you can send for change for review. Incomplete advertising ID declaration. I'll tap complete declaration. Then does your app use an advertise ID? Say yes. Say yes. Then scroll down to why you can, people say that say it for app functionality, but to authenticate users. But for us, I will just say it for advertising or marketing. So I will just tap save. Then I will tap go to overview. Yeah, then I'll tap send 11 changes for review. Now Google will review my app. So also here there is running quick checks for commonly found issues. So if they will see issues here, they will tell you. So they continue finding issues within my AAB file which I've uploaded. Okay, then from here now, let me go to dashboard. Okay, they said my app is in review here, so Google are reviewing my app. So production is in an active, so what's remain is in closed testing. So they tap select testers. So when the review is done, now you can select testers, and testers, these are 20 people and above who are needed to test the app before published on Play Store to billions of users. So it's better you try your level best to find these 20 testers. So you just come create email list and you list all the email address. You just tap email address, comma email address, or you can upload a VCF or CSV file, CSV file, so that so that all those users are supposed to be 20 or above within 14 days. So this app will be reviewed. After being reviewed, so will be able to be uploaded on what? On Play Store. But when these testers finish test the app within 14 days, so 13 days for 20 testers, then 14th day you receive message to ask for production. Then after finishing all, you can just get a chance to publish app on Play Store. So releases story, we are still in closed test, so we are waiting. After review, we will get a you will get a message that your app have been reviewed, so you'll be in production, but within closed testing, not on Play Store. Then after all, you will just come and select testers to test your app. Then after those 20 testers test your app within 14 days, now you will get a message that those testers have finished testing your app. Then from there now, you will go to apply for production. So you will just see a blue color here in apply for production, to apply for production, so that your app can be available on Play Store to billions of users. So that's how to publish app on Play Store. For those people who have old consoles, my apps are on review, so when they finish, they will listen to word production. And then I will just give these files to 20 testers. Then within 13 days, 14 days, I will apply for production. Then I will explain how the users, how the tester test my app, and from there now I will apply for production, and my app will be available on Play Store to billions of users. So don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get more information about technology. Welcome to Nedi Technology Company Limited. It's a web development, application development company, graphics designing and other services. So it's better you subscribe so that you can get more information. Just tap the bell icon to subscribe my channel. I like to see you again. See you at the top. Nice development time. See you at the top.